Hi everyone, I'm Joanne. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some pocket flips for my nature journal out of some envelopes. I don't have regular size envelopes, so I just use these, which are 9.5 by a little over 4. So I cut the one in half. All right, I did that off camera. And then I'm going to cut this down to 6 inches. And this is going to build the base of our pocket flip. So you can definitely use, envelopes that you get in the mail, whatever you have. You can certainly recycle. All right, so I have 2 6-inch, and then I have one of my big envelopes cut in half. So I needed 3 envelopes basically for this. So I'm going to take my glue, and I'm just going to glue this down. I don't want to get it here because that would seal my pocket. This is going to form a pocket. All right, so I just want to come along the edge and glue that. All right, and then this one is going to be a pocket too. So I'm going to just glue this. I can glue all of this because it's not going to interfere, because it's going to go on the back here. And I want it to line up though. Come on. There I go. That's a little better. All right, so I'm going to have a pocket up here and a pocket here. All right, now this one is going to go over here on the right-hand side. So this one will open this way. So again, I can glue this whole thing because it's not going to interfere with my pockets. All right, so that's that. So I'll have a pocket here, I'll have a pocket up here. I can put it in the book and make a pocket in the back. I can do a lot of different things. So I grabbed some paper, and I didn't cut the edges off, which I could have done before I jumped on, but sometimes I just get excited to create, and I don't do the things that will save time in filming, but that's okay. So hopefully this will fit wrapped around here. It's not going to fit this way. I already tried. My envelope's not, does it matter? It actually doesn't matter because that's going to be the back. So how wide is this? 4 inches? All right, so I definitely want to cut this down for 4 inches. And I might want this flower on the front. Save the pieces. So I may want to just stick this on the front, although that was a little wider than the 4 inches. So it might have to go in here. This might have to go like this. Which is okay. And I can put that on the front. Hopefully it will be big enough. No, I don't think it is going to be big enough, but I am going to use my art glitter glue so I don't get a bunch of crinkling. So I'm just going to put this down on the front, or on the inside rather, and try to get it straight. And cut this off. All right. so that's not going to fit. So I have to cover this, and I have to cover this, and I want to cut it down to, I think, 4 1/4. So let me do 4 1/4 by 2, 3, 4 3/4. 4 1/4 by 4 3/4. Right? Right. So let me cut this off and do 4 3/4 this way. Almost 5. And then let me get this off, and then 4 1/4 this way, and I can cut off any excess. So this is going to be the front. Super easy project. I'm really almost coming to an end of creating for my journal. I'm going to start putting some things together with it, which is super exciting. Super duper exciting. Cut that little bit of excess. I'm going to do the same thing to this. So I need it 4 1/4 wide. 4 1/4 wide. And what did I say? 4 inches tall? No, that's 4 3/4 by 4 1/4. So I need it 4 3/4 tall. And that should fit there. And I don't want to get glue. I think I want glue right here. But I don't, you know what? I'm going to put it on this. Because I don't want glue over here, because I would seal the pocket shut. And instead of putting it on this piece, it would be easier to put it on the base. Except I'm a little big there, which is okay. That can go over. Because I don't think I'm going to try to cut that off. So that's okay like that. It'll just fold. Let me get my bone folder. All right. So here it is. I can decorate it. Let me make sure this is down on the corner. I am going to come along in distress to get any of this white off. It's so beautiful here. It is about almost 60 degrees, another great day. So I came up a little short along here, but that's okay. And that's why I like the distress to get any of that white edging off. Let's just do the whole thing. Do the bottom. That does not want to stay down. Maybe I should have used glue stick, because it would have ensured that it was really stuck. Like here, I'm having the same issue. How many ounces is this? I need to order more. 4. All right. I was going to order it one night, but I didn't know how many ounces I had, and I don't want a bigger one than this. So where is my little corner thing? Right here. I do have a smaller one. Let me pull one of these out. I got these for Christmas, and I haven't even opened it. So packaging. All right, that wasn't so bad. It'll give me a little bit of a smaller is that? And then I want to kind of line it up so it doesn't look funny. I think I did pretty good, actually. All right, so that's good. And then I can decorate the front. Let's see, I'll show you. Let me grab like a tag. So we have a pocket in here, and we have a pocket here. And learn from me, and definitely use glue stick, because this just isn't working well with the art glitter glue. I feel like the edges are coming up a bit on the different, yeah. Glue stick would have worked much better, but I can just go along and double check all that, no biggie. All right, so I'm gonna put something on the front. Now, if you have a smaller envelope, you can use any size envelope, and this purple's gonna dry clear, so it doesn't really matter. So what do I want on the front? Like this right here. This is from Tracy Fox's Bumper Floral Kit, which a lot of my ephemera pieces are. All right. That would look nice on there. I'm going to try to keep this video kind of short, so I don't think I'm going to do both of them, but you get the idea. And the only thing I'll do different on my second one is use glue stick to get the paper glued onto the envelope. And like I said, if you want it to be a pocket flip like this, then just decorate the back. And maybe I'll do that on the next one. I don't think my inside needs much of anything. And I think I'm going to call this done. I think it looks great just the way it is. Get some more distress around here. Let it dry for a bit. And there's my double pocket flip. All right, hope you enjoy this video. Have a great day. Thank you for joining me. Give me all the love, thumbs up, subscribe, questions and comments below. I love reading anything that you write to me, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day.